Hey guys, happy Easter. Happy Easter. Hey guys. So today I'm going to be doing a what's in my basketball bag updated version. Yeah, because I did get a lot of kind of a lot more stuff in there. It's fun, but yeah. So first thing, I'm not gonna name confirm it. Yeah, something right there. It's the same Adidas bag. Yeah. I know most people don't use for like school teams and stuff, like my school team, they don't use bags like this and stuff. But I do, because mine's a traveling team. Whoa, whoa. What's this? So, yeah. And here I have this Axe body spray. I have deodorant, but I lost it. I need to put more in here. Perfume. Cap fell off. These little chew things, which they're gross and I haven't ate them. Yeah, they just fell out. And I got hand sanitizer. Everybody's filthy germs. And onto the next compartment. This is just a bra. And I got socks, but I do wear black ones. They're bracelets, gotta take those out. And a hair tie. Because you can't wear jewelry or nothing on the court. So yeah, I had to take this off. I had to take my earrings out. I had to take my bracelets off. So, yeah. They're all right here. Okay. So then here's my basketball. Just a Wilson basketball. I don't have a Spalding basketball. No. So here. I do have this one. And then I have this cheap one. Then I have another one over there. So, yeah. So the first thing to start off with is basketball shoes. And here, these, the Jordans retro. No, they're not retro, they're 6 rings. Oh my god. No, they're not. I don't know. I forgot what they're called, but they're just these. I forgot what kind they are, so don't listen to me. My mom made this. Whenever it's 14, that's my jersey number. It's just a sweatshirt. Then I got, where'd my jersey go? Oh, yeah. Oh, okay, no. I just slipped. Ow. My butt. Okay. So our things are reversible because here's the white side and then here's the red side. My pants. We got our thing right there. And then here's my jersey. 14. And we got our shooting shirt / warm-up shirt. And on the back it says, "Good is not good enough when greater is expected." That's what our coach tells us all the time. It was good, but it's not good enough when greater is expected. So yeah. Then I got knee pads, a headband, and just a towel. So it's my perfume. So that's everything that's in my basketball bag. Yeah. I don't know if I put anything else in there. Like I might have a Gatorade, a water bottle in there. But yeah. So I can't do it with the jacket on. But it's in my basketball bag. Updated version. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.